Let's learn how to create the 2023 and 70 photos trend for TikTok and Instagram Reels. Have you seen these trending videos on TikTok and want to make your own? Then just follow my steps and watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. We will need the CapCut and TikTok application in order to create this video. I suppose you have TikTok, and if you don't have CapCut installed, you can go over to your App Store or your Google Play Store and download CapCut. It's absolutely free. The next step is to open the TikTok application, and then we will go to the search bar by tapping on this magnifying glass. Type 2023 and 70 photos, and you will get a bunch of different videos with this template applied over them. Open any of the videos that have this effect, and you will then tap on this button called CapCut, Try this template. And then click on the Use Template in CapCut. Wait a second or two until your CapCut application opens and imports the template. Now let's add the photos that we want to use for this video. Click on the Use Template option, and that is going to open our photo gallery. You can add photos and videos to your project, and the first photo that you add is going to last a couple of seconds, and it will be the cover photo, so keep that in mind. When you add all of the photos or videos, simply tap on the preview button and your video will be done. You can see how it looks like and tap on the export button to save the video to your photo gallery or share it on TikTok directly. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.